Hi guys, my name is Dinah and today I'm here with Dr. Tim Crowe, nutrition scientist and gut expert. How are you, Tim?
Dinah, it's great to be chatting with you today, so thanks for the invitation to talk all things gut and intestinal health today.
Absolutely, it's such an important topic.
When we're talking about gut health or intestinal health, they both mean the same thing. Probably one of the biggest ones is people think it just relates to their gut and how they digest food and any symptoms they may have from that. And yet what we know about our gut, it has impacts upon our whole entire body and our health. So gut health is not just about your intestines, it's about your whole body and your overall health.
So what are the common myths or misconceptions around gut health and what is the truth behind them?
So there's lots of myths about gut health. A big one is that it only applies to our gut, when in fact the link between our gut and the rest of our body's health is huge. From our mental health, through our blood system, through our immune system, all of that can be traced back to what's happening inside our gut.
That's true, isn't it? People tend to see gut health as separate, but actually it's all connected.
It is, yeah, it's all related together. So rather than just focus on one particular organ or system, we actually focus on our whole entire health. But if you get the diet for gut health right, you're doing pretty well for yourself.
It's not separate, isn't it, from a general healthy diet?
Yeah, and that's another big myth I hear about gut health a lot, is that it has to be only these particular small range of foods that's good for your gut, and then you have to cut out all these other foods. When in fact the sorts of food you can eat is incredibly diverse. Lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes, and really just limiting a lot of the overly processed foods. But that really is a key diet for gut health, and it's not that complicated or hard to follow.
Instead of a restrictive diet or restricting foods, I really like the idea of being able to add more foods into the diet and having that diversity, because really that diversity is what's going to really give the nutrients or different variety of nutrients for our gut bacteria. I think you captured the diet part of lifestyle very accurately, but what other lifestyle factors beyond diet should we consider when looking at gut health?
So one of the fascinating things we're learning about gut health is the link between our brain and our gut. That's called the gut-brain axis. So stress and too much stress certainly can affect our gut and our gut health. Another one is exercise. A fascinating thing about exercise is that it can change the makeup of bacteria in our gut simply by being active, independent of dietary changes you make. So good diet, being active, controlling stress are the keys to good gut health.
What are kind of the long-term benefits, not just the short-term ones, but the long-term benefits that having a good, healthy gut diet might have for us?
So where we see a lot of research pointing towards the link between gut health and long-term health is to do with our immune system, because our gut is actually our biggest immune organ. We also see effects on inflammation. Now, inflammation throughout the body lies at the heart of many chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. But even research to do with body weight regulation can be traced back, at least in part, to our gut. But also the absorption of nutrients, such as calcium, ensures that our gut gives us healthy bones. All of that relates back to our large intestine and the bacteria in them and what they do to food that we eat.
We talked about exercise and how great it is for our gut. Let's go for a wander.
Let's